When you think about pension costs, they've been rising dramatically for the last 10 years already, and as Buffett pointed out, you ain't seen nothing yet. So the pain has already been taken by citizens and taxpayers. The group that hasn't taken the pain yet are current employees with respect to years not yet worked and retirees. I do think that we're going to need a revenue increase, however, especially for CalSTRS, which, as I mentioned, that's an existential issue for the K-12 education establishment. And I think it's going to have to be, if I had a magic wand, that would be a dedicated tax, an oil severance tax, for example, which the money up to a limited amount is dedicated to pay off the CalSTRS' liability. I think we already have an income tax problem in California, which jeopardizes our revenues at the state anyway, and the sales tax is incredibly regressive. So we have to cut the unfunded liability. I mean, the pain sharing has got to come now, since it's already come from CSU students have seen tuition tripled, I think, in the last 10 years. Park users have been clobbered, et cetera. So the pain's already been taken by citizens and taxpayers. It now has to be taken by employees and retirees.